Hi everyone and welcome to the Being Mr. Brown YouTube channel. This is my new space. The first thing I'm going to be talking about is this setup within my room, how I've turned it into a bit of a home studio. I'm going to show you what's directly in front of me. So yeah, here we go. So first of all, let me just show you what's in front of me and what I'm using. I'm going to film with my other my other iPhone here. So in front of me, I've got the Sony A7iii, and I've set it up on an LED ring light. I'm going to put all of the locations where you can get this equipment from in the description. To the right of me, I've got a soft light there, and I've got another one to the right of me here, and then directly underneath the camera I do have my iPhone, which is running through the remote app, the Sony remote app, so I can view basically what I look like on screen, because Sony haven't sorted out a flip screen just yet. Really annoying, I know, but this is my kind of substitute for that, and I've actually got it on a car phone holder. Love that. And another thing that I should show you is my RØDE mini mic here, and it's got also got the wind guard on there as well, to make sure when you're outside you don't get don't really need it in here. So I'll just take it off so you can show you what it looks like without it. This is what it looks like without the wind guard on there. And just in the background you can see my old 600D. This is what I first started kind of filming with when I first started doing these videos, and my other old RØDE microphone. I prefer this RØDE microphone, but it's faulty, so I'm going for this because it's just as good and it really works well. And what I've done is I've connected it to an extension lead going into the Minijack, and the lead kind of runs through straight in, so I can move this wherever I need be. And here's just perfect without it getting in shot of the camera. So yeah, that works for me. And then I've also purchased this little RØDE tripod, so I can, elevate it so it's not just sat down on the table on its side. And that's pretty much my entire setup. The camera is the most expensive thing, and the lens, because that is the Sony A7iii, and the lens that is on it that I'm filming with is a 24-70 Sony G Master. That's quite expensive, but it doesn't really matter. The setup works regardless of whatever camera you've got. But that's what I'm using. So you could get your camera, put it on this tripod, which has the prismatic ring light on there, LED, but you can get any ring light and set it up in the same way. And then use your phone and make sure you download the Sony remote app, so you can then view yourself whilst you're sitting or standing in front of the camera. Okay, the lights I actually got from a friend who wasn't using them. She used to film videos in her house. She used to film upcycling videos. She's called the Home Genie, and she was kind enough to give me these lights that she was no longer using. So I took those in, and helps to give a bit of a backlighting and a bit of extra light, because if it's daylight now, but if it was at night time, I'd still have equally decent light. Lighting is a massive thing. If you haven't got the right lighting, nothing looks correct. We've got beautiful day sunlight for London. Bit annoying whilst we're in quarantine because we can't even go out and enjoy it as much as you'd want to. It's always nice to use natural light if you haven't got lighting, but if you can, get it, because I'm not always going to be filming in the daytime. Anyway, so that is my setup. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Subscribe if you like what you've seen, and like and share. Do all of those things, and hopefully see you next time in one of my new videos. Bye.